My name is MJ from Endless RVing, and the RV lifestyle kind of fell into our lap unexpectedly. We quickly fell in love with it though, and we thoroughly enjoy traveling the country on our Class A motorhome.
Our family consists of our son Jason, our female pit bull Sierra, and our male pit bull Bowser, and they love RVing and camping as much as we do. We travel as often as we can, and we're counting out the days until we can full-time.
On our channel, we provide helpful information such as DIYs, campground reviews, and traveling with dogs. We also share our favorite items, including tons of useful RV tips and tricks. Endless RVing was born on June 29th, 2019, and we are growing very fast, and we absolutely love connecting and meeting with fellow RVers.
So we thank you guys for watching.
And as always,
We'll see you on the road.